Hello everyone. So in this video, we are going to make multi-part request using Dio. So we are going to add this image picker dependency to get a file object or an image basically. And we will also add the Dio dependency. Let's put it. After that, we can run the project. And here we can write our code, right? So we can say, let's grab a image picker instance, import it, and we can say picker dot pick image. So we will have to provide a source, which is the image source dot gallery, and we can store the result in a result variable. And we will use a think await. So we will just add a check. If the result is null, we will abort this function, right? Otherwise, we will use set state, and we will say file equal to file result dot path. Let's import the file, and we will have to declare a variable here also, and our code looks fine. Let's do a restart. Okay. And if I choose a file, like if I click this button, a picker should show and it is working. So let's just preview the file. So we can say if file is not null, we can say something like this. And we can say image.file, and here we can provide this file. So we got our file previewed here, and we can grab a button to upload the file, right? So we can change this upload. Now I do have a fake API. So this is the path, the post method, and the body we have to send. Let's just copy this path. So here, let's create a Dio instance first. After that, we can say dio.post, add this URL. So it is a request, we will have to wait for it and just store the response in a variable. After that, we can log the response. Okay. Now let's prepare the body. So for multi-part request, we will have to use like form data dot from map, and here we will have to use this file keyword as defined in the API, and we can say await multi-part file dot from file, and this is something like this, right? And we will have to use this body to send to our API. So using Dio has some benefit, like it's give you callback of send progress, receive progress, and other thing. So we will use the send progress to calculate the uh, like total percentage of upload done, right? So we can say log, and here we can say count divide by total, and we will just multiply it by 100. Okay, let's do a reload. Let's open the debug console, pick a image, the button change, upload. So we are getting the percentage. Okay, and we got the response. The response is same as defined in the documentation. So we have successfully implemented multi-part request, and I hope you liked it, and don't forget to subscribe.